Suggestive vocabulary to express yourself. While interacting with the customer, there are ways of you speaking with the customer. Example, if you want to recommend something, you can say, I think you should also get. You can add to anything else to this conversation. You need to add, you need to suggest, and you need to have an opening sentence. Then if you are suggesting something, you can also say, you might also want to add. Then you will name a dish, or you will name a beverage, or you will name a glass of juice, or anything else that comes in your mind that you want to recommend to the guest. You are suggesting. And when you are consulting, I have a personal experience with this. Now, when you say that you have tasted, when you have drink something, when you have eaten something, you are very, very happy, and then you will say, I urge you to. Then it means to say you are confidently suggesting, you are recommending. When you say, I have tried it, I have eaten it, I have drank it, so it means to say you are perfectly satisfied, and the same will happen to the customer on the other side. So you will say, I have a personal experience with this, I have sampled this dish, and I would recommend you to try that. So that will work very positively in the mind of the customer. And if you ever you have to ask a question to the customer, you have to say, have you thought about? So you can take the conversation to any side you like. Have you ever tried? Example, a dish, example, a beverage, example, anything else. Do you know about? Example, you will say the new wines have come. Okay, any seasonal wine which is coming in the particular month have already arrived. Then you will say, do you know about we have these things already? May I show you? So you are drawing his interest onto a particular item or a dish. So it's just the way that you will open a conversation with the customer. So you can recommend, you can suggest, you can consult, and you can also question, because by putting up this question with the customer, they are able to speak to you a little more longer. You are able to judge the response from what they say, and accordingly you can suggest, because in the back of your mind is suggestive selling, how you are going to recommend what is available in your outlet. There are power phrases. My experience has shown me. This is also related to the same, that I have tried this, I have tried that. When you will relate this story of your own with the things that you are trying to recommend and sell, it will go very positively, because customer will say, yes, somebody is recommending so confidently, so why shouldn't I try that? He may buy, he may take your suggestion, he will also tell you, okay, let me try. So it means you are getting an order just because you were able to convince him confidently.
It's about the
Comfort them
storytelling
more.
nowadays. I think it's also about the story that you are telling. So normally these power phrases are
Yes.
when you are sharing a story, when you are sharing an experience, the peoples can relate easily, and then you can say, okay, during my birthday I try this. When you are trying to relate with the occasion, let's say the customer is in a happy mood, or he has done a deal, or he's celebrating the wedding anniversary or anything anniversary, you can suggest your story when you celebrated the happy birthday, what did you do. So maybe the when, but it will help to build a rapport and confidence with your customer, and then it becomes easier to suggest. Yeah.
Right. So little pause.
Yes.
We were we were behind here, right?
Comfortable. Yeah.
Right. My experience have shown me these are the power phrases. It means you are starting to say a story. With that story, the guest can relate. And when the guests can relate, they can go sentence wise with you, and they visualize how you felt. Because when you do a sentence with the storytelling, it goes deeper in their mind. The acceptance level is very high, and they are easily get convinced. You don't have to put much more effort, because you're telling them a story, experience of your own. You will say, my experience have shown me X, Y, Z, and then you take the conversation further. Comfort them most